Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use axis to axis command today discuss here. And guys, CATIA lecture 52 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points easily and deeply and clearly. Okay, and axis to axis point is this command is very important and very difficult, but learn easily. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software interface, and this is our CATIA software interface, and use a command, axis to axis command. Okay, at first draw any 3D design, draw a rectangle and exit, and draw a pad is a 40. Okay, and change a color is a this color is pink color is nice. Okay, this is all 3D command is active, and this point is discussed here, axis to axis command. Okay, at first draw a point at center and click OK. And then this is click insert and axis system. Okay, this point is this center point is generated here, a axis system. Okay, and again click a point, and then Z axis is a 130. Okay, this is a again point, click here, double click here, and this is a 110 is correct. Okay, and this is a correct. And again this insert and click a axis system, and this point is click here, and again generated a axis system. Okay, this point is a click here. Okay, and two axis system is generated here, and then use a this point is a axis to axis point. This 3D body is move axis to axis point. Two axis system is at first generated here, and then body is remove one axis to another axis. Okay, this is a click here. Okay, and at first reference, no reference point, and then target line. Okay, at first this is a reference, and again this is a target body. Okay, this is a part body is move here. Okay, again this is a reference body, and this is a target, this is a correct. Okay, again this is a reference, and this is a again draw here, this is a reference, and again this is a target. Okay, again click here, and at first this particle is reference, and this body is target, but not body is not select here. This is a hide, body is hide is but the control Z body is showing here and not showing. The undo is body is showing here. At first this body is a first is not reference, first is reference, and second is target here. Okay, first is reference and second is target. This body is move here. Okay, guys, CATIA lecture 52 is discussed here and axis to axis point is discussed here. I hope easily learn this axis to axis command and easily and clearly learn here. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.